Giving back to a Bay Area veteran on a day dedicated to honoring everyone who served our country. Today, Semper Solaris put a new roof and solar system on the Bay Point home of Mark Creighton.
We got a phone call from Kelly that my name was picked. I won the solar panels. So he said, Mark, that's like winning the lottery. I said, yeah, it is.
Running down to meet Kelly.
It's like our guy.
Mark and Mary Lou.
I'm Captain Kelly. I'm Kelly.
Okay,
How are you?
Semper Fi.
Semper Fi, do or die, baby. Here we are in Bay Point, California. We're here celebrating Semper Cares, where we give free solar to one of our vets in need. A nice Monday morning. It is Veterans Day, so this is what we do on Veterans Day, and we have a good time doing it.
Mark was a great candidate to have solar put on his home. Unfortunately, the roof wasn't a good candidate, but since we're Semper, we install roofs and we install solar. There's no problem for us to look after it, and I was really happy we could give back on the roofing side as well as the solar system.
And my thanks to Mary Lou for submitting my story. To be picked is more than an esteemed honor when there's other veterans out there as well.
This one meant a lot since it's a veteran and serving myself. I made sure I was on site to be a part of it from start to finish. Being able to give back as much as the Marine Corps gave to me, to be back and help another vet, it's just inspiring to see his face and the reaction. It just hits home.
We should not forget that on Veterans Day, we're thanking the veterans because they answered the country's call. And for that, we as Americans appreciate the men and women who have done that.
Isn't this great?
It's great.
It's a nice day.
It's
And
awesome.
there's no one more deserving than this guy in here.
People think that the Army guys don't like Marines. I love Marines because a Marine will always fight.
You know, the best part for me is always meeting the vet that we're working with. They're the most appreciative people you've ever met in your life. It's always a good time for me to see all the big smiles and everything, so that's the best part.
Very proud to work for an organization that loves to give back, especially to our veteran community. And this is going to impact Mark's life, reducing their energy expense.
Usually it's relying on those other people for power. That'll be the best thing ever. It makes me feel so good that the pocketbook won't be draining.
A lot of these guys come home and they're not able to pull this off by themselves. So being that we go out and are able to assist and help them get something, it just means so much to everybody.
Thank you, Semper Solaris, for the new solar panels and picking my name and story.
I mean, what more could you ask for? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much again.
Well, you certainly have done something today to show you appreciate it. So, Marine, you did good. Shake your hand again.
We appreciate you being here.
This has been a great day. Number one, we're recognizing veterans, and we have an entrepreneur who is providing for the people out of his own pocket. So for Kelly, hats off, Kelly. I salute him for a job well done.